Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about tofu, and I'm just going to go over the different types of tofu that are out there, and hopefully this will help you out. There are a variety of different types of tofu available in most grocery stores, and knowing about their differences can help you to decide what form will be best for your intended use. First of all, we have silken tofu. This is the softest form of tofu. It's sometimes referred to as Japanese style tofu. It's used in creamy and smooth dishes and can be the base of a creamy pasta sauce or even included in a smoothie. Next, we have soft or medium tofu. And this form of tofu is more dense than silken tofu, but it's still tender. This works well as an egg replacement in scrambles or in recipes where the tofu does not need to hold a specific shape. And then there's firm tofu. Firm tofu can be cut and will hold its shape relatively well. This type of tofu is a solid block that can be used in stir fries, baked as a snack, or used in place of meat in recipes. Next, we have extra firm tofu. This type of tofu is a dense form of tofu that can be used in many ways. It has been pressed with most but not all of its water removed. From pan frying to grilling, prepared with non-stick cooking spray or oil, air frying or baking, extra firm tofu will keep its shape. This type can be marinated since it absorbs flavors well. Next, we have super firm tofu. This tofu has already been pressed with most of its water content removed. It is a block that is dense and solid. It's excellent for a meaty type of dish, including in stir fries, sandwiches, salads, and even burgers. We also have smoked tofu. This is tofu for sale that's already been smoked and seasoned. It's available commercially, but you may have to search a little bit to find it. If you prefer to make your own recipes from smoked tofu, they are plentiful on the internet. Then we have tofu skin, also called yuba. Tofu skin, or yuba in Japanese, is the skin of soy milk that forms as a byproduct during the making of tofu. It's made by removing the rich fatty film of coagulated proteins that form on the surface of the heated soy milk. The skin is then dried and processed into different products. It is like a concentrated version of tofu, being higher in protein with a rich flavor and smooth texture. Well, I do hope this helps you out. Take care and bye for now.